Let her join. She's hilarious.
But she's so dumb.
But that's just it. She's the funniest character ever on the show. You've gotta let her on. And that's an order.
Fine, you can join. Let's at least give a contestant a chance to win too.
Yeah, I'm the bomb.
Alright, coolness.
I'm the bomb.
Finally, okay, you both win immunity, and along with that, you win a trip around the Earth.
I invite everyone but Balloon, because she's fat.
Fair enough. Everyone is up for elimination except Bo and Bomb, who win immunity, so vote now. And for the first time ever, 2 people will be eliminated. The 2 contestants with the most amount of votes will be voted off.
Hang tight. We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
Hey TiVo, wanna try lunch yet? No way, Maya. I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
Hey Leafy, what is it, Pen? Have you tried the new Soda Supreme? No. Why? Because it's very tasty. Try it. It's super good. Look at the wrapping. Isn't the wrapping perfect though? No, it sucks. You're not gonna actually drink it, are you? Yes, but first... That's what happens when you don't drink Soda Supreme. So get some now.
New from the Alphabet Park. It's the Alphabet Park plushies. You can get the main 3 letters of the alphabet as plushies, and more plushies from the letters of the alphabet will be coming up very soon.
Look, I got the letter A.
Oh yeah, it's the letter B. Cool.
Sweet! I got myself the letter C. You can get the main 3 letters of the Alphabet Park in the Alphabet Park plushies, each sold separately. Get out of the store today.
Ooh, yummy.
I'll take that, thank you.
Whatever, it wasn't mine anyways.
It wasn't mine either. I just want one. Okay then.
Hey, that's mine!
Huh? Hey!
Get a crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery burst in every bite of Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Anyway, instead of playing these digital games, who wants to play Connect 4?
I guess we'll play that.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, me too. Well, let's begin.
Oh!
Watch Springtrap and David, a new series every weekday on your Jeff Toon network.
Ollie, I'm having a brainstorm recipe. Tart lemonade should be yummy and sweet with lots and lots of sugar. Nuh-uh. I know. A contest.
Watch the Ollie and Moon Show, Saturdays at 7 on your Jeff Toon network.
Hey guys! Hey son! Hurry up! What, Daddy? Well, oh yay! What's up?
I got you a balloon to blow up. Ready?
No!
No! No!
I've been watching you.
Blow it up, man. Blow it up, Charlie.
We'll never know why Polly likes bubblegum.
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island.
64 contestants. One island.
We'll lose a whole bunch.
Please, smart.
Crazy challenges. And more.
So, how much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
Catch the gang of Battle for Dream Island Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. on Teens Channel. A friend of ours is here on Kids Channel.
Hello, everybody. My name is P-Head, and it's time for my show.
It's our good friend P-Head, and him and his friends are going on exciting journey adventures together. Join them as having lots of fun, playing games, stop bad guys, having party, and more activities around local city. So you can see them here on P-Head and Pals every day at 6:50 p.m. on Kids Channel.
Let's do cake and steak.
Knock knock. Who's there? Disney Channel. Back to the show.
Oh, it's you.
Hey Red Circle. How are you doing?
Not much. How about you?
Same. I'm going to go in my room. Man oh man. What should I do today? I know. The Goldotron 4000. That way. If there's something I want more, I will use this and turn it to gold.
Hey LightBulb. What is this?
The Goldotron 4000, we can literally turn anything into gold.
LightBulb. I do not think that is a good idea.
Oh silly Red Circle, anything is a good idea. Watch. You see that peanut butter and jelly sandwich over there?
Yeah?
Now it's gold. What can seriously go wrong?
You do realize you almost turned me into gold, right? And a lot can go wrong.
Hush my friend. Now I have to test this.
This is not going to go well.
This is so freaking great. I can turn anything into gold whatever I want, and whenever I can. Let me try the couch. It's gold now.
Holy ding dang. Why is this place gold?
Guys. LightBulb is turning everything to gold.
Well, we need to stop this gold rampage.
Jesus. Why is everything gold? And why the heck am I gold?
Ha 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 ha. What? Let me see if I did it outside by mistake. Oops. I better change everything back.
Guys. I think he turned everything back.
Yeah!
So LightBulb, did you learn a lesson in this episode about gold?
I sure did. I learned a good lesson today. It is not good to have so much gold. When you want what you want.
Exactly.
Guys. I'm actually getting hungry.
I have an idea. Let's go have some pizza so we can share.
That sounds great.
That sounds like a great idea. I love pizza.
Pinky promise. We'll be right back to the show on Disney Channel.
Let's do cake and steak.
Ooh, yummy.
I'll take that, thank you.
Whatever, it wasn't mine anyways.
It wasn't mine either. I just want one. Okay then.
Hey, that's mine!
Huh? Hey!
Get a crispity, crunchity, peanut buttery burst in every bite of Butterfinger.
Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
Let's keep the story rolling on Disney Channel.
Guys. I know this might be a dumb question, but do you guys want to go on a picnic?
Well. Okay then. I am actually getting kinda hungry.
Yay, picnic time.
It looks so delicious.
I know. The food looks great.
Well, I hope you all like it.
This picnic was a great idea.
Hold on, guys. I'm going to wash my hands.
Oh my god. The sandwiches.
They're gone.
Did you guys eat them?
Dude. We didn't eat them. They just ran off for no reason.
Stop the lies. You better tell me now.
We're actually telling the truth. They ran off.
Why don't you ever believe us?
Your luck, I got to use the bathroom. Now stay out of trouble.
What an idiot he is. Now the eggs are gone. Whoever is doing this has to stop.
I agree.
I hope they do nothing stupid. The eggs are gone too.
What the hell did I just say about earlier?
For the last time. We didn't do nothing.
The cake.
They are moving.
We freaking told you. Wait. This is no moving cake. This is...
Ants?
Really, Cherry?
I couldn't help myself.
Guys. I do have to apologize for not believing you guys. I should have known it was ants. I'm sorry guys.
It's all good, man.
Now why don't we continue our picnic?